Today's lesson, we're going to be taking a look at Preignition. Here we're going to be taking a look at a web server that's hosting WordPress, and we're going to be taking a look at specifically the admin directory or the admin login, and attempt to enumerate the web server and then exploit the login and see if we can't get the flag. Begins to ask us basic questions about directory brute forcing and the rest. And like I mentioned previously, we will begin by enumerating. As soon as we're done with the scan, we find that port 80 is open, hosting NTNIS. For those who don't know, that is a web server, web application server hosting. And yeah, so this is a good sign already. We're going to go ahead and continue here. What switch do we use for Nmap scan to specify that we want to perform version detection? That would be SB. What does Nmap for as the service identified as running up port 80 TCP? That's NGIS. Or actually, that's HTTP. Here we'll ask us what server name and version service that's running. 1.14.2. Copy paste is a lifesaver on these sometimes. And on to the next question. What switch do we use to specify the go bus, or we want to perform dir busing specifically? For those not familiar with go bus or dir busser, there are plenty of rooms on that. We will not be covering that in this section. Answer is dir. In order to find the PHP login page that we are looking for, or the PHP directory in a different case, but we need to look for that in order to brute force it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and find that. We can hit dir. It will bring up a list of commands, use cases here. Do things like show verbosity, skip found pages, don't stop on warnings. We can include extensions. We can set cookies, certificates. However, in this lab, we're just looking for the PHP pages. These questions can be a bit tricky. Provides good exercise for the mind, keeps you sharp. Remember, you get to remember the commands and things of that nature. So it took us a couple tries here. We're now going to begin using GoBuster and brute force the directories to find any other hidden directories in there, and we will move forward from there. scans can take a while if you're doing this on a pen test or in a lab, so just be cognizant of that. Also comes with a GUI. If you don't like to use the command line, I suggest using command line, as you'll be using it a lot more often than GUIs. We also go to the IP that was given to us. This is the web server that was hosted on port 80. This is what the GNIX. Also provides a link for online documentation and support for those who are interested. Meanwhile, we're running the scans, attempting to check out any other directories that may be available. Find admin.php after a while, and we try very basic credentials, admin, and we actually do get access. So this is poorly set up. We take the cookie, or the flag in this case, submit it, and that is Preignition finished. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Home.